Hello guys, it's me, Windows Machine here. Today I got something cool that my friend recommended to me on eBay, and I bought it for $100. I would like you to introduce a Macintosh SE. This is just a plain old Macintosh SE. It's not the dual flop. It's the one with the hard drive, the 20 meg hard drive in it, and the 800K floppy. And I'm using a little tripod method here to see if I can get rid of that shaky video that I've always been having with my videos. But yeah, it's got a handle. It's got it has an accessory here, which for a document clip that I have in that box right over there. And yeah, Macintosh SE. And on the back. And on the back here, we have the back of the machine. It says Macintosh SE. It's got 1 megabyte of RAM, which it still has, and it has a 800K drive and 20 gig SCSI drive. All that is still in there. And there's the expansion port. That's why it's called System Expansion. There's the Sony power supply. And there is the 280B, 1 floppy port, 1 SCSI port, printer and modem, and a sound out. Alright. Well, that was my brother coming in, Elias. But yeah, this will be the possible first part of this video, and then, well, I can't show you the software side of this yet. I mean, I can right now as it is, but there's going to be an update to this video if I upload it, because I'm going to be getting some floppies in the mail that'll contain a zip disk driver, so I'll be able to put software on this machine. Anyway, guys, I am going to set this up on the desk here, and we'll give it a go. Alright guys, well, the SE is now set up, and yeah, I got the original ADB clicky mouse, yeah, and I got the original keyboard that originally came with the system. Hold on, I'm having tangle problems with cables. I got the clicky keyboard. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is clicky. And anyways, I got the original. I also got the original power cord with the system, and I made a backup disk just in case if everything goes wrong, if something goes wrong. I made a backup disk. But anyways, I will fire the machine up. Can't zoom in because I'm using an iPod on a weird tripod mount that I made. Let me adjust the brightness. Alright, we are in the system. We go to about this finder first. We have, well, you're not going to be able to see it on camera right now. This is the original stock software that I got from the machine from eBay, which I'll be redoing and making an update video about. This is System 603, which I'm going to be, when I get my new software, I'm going to be updating it to 608. And, well, the software around here is pretty good for what it is right now. It only came with 2 programs. It came with Microsoft Works and the Print Shop. And we load the Print Shop up here. See the little red LED firing up or doing its thing. This does not have a stepper motor hard drive. This has a voice coil drive. There's the red LED. Let me turn the brightness down so you can see. There is the Print Shop. I find that software very cool to use, and yeah. I mean, it's just cool for like making graphics and stuff. And the other program, actually it has 3 programs, my bad. It also comes with Microsoft Works 2.0. With word processor, database, spreadsheet, little word processor here. And I can adjust out the keyboard. Oh, you're not going to be able to say that, but that says hello YouTube. And that works too. Alright. No, I do not want to save. And one more little program before I shut off this video. I got Super Paint, and I kind of made my own version of the Happy Mac. Hold on. Alright, well there's the Happy Mac. And what we're planning on doing after I get my restore CDs, we're going to wipe the drive clean, we're going to format, and we're going to do 608, and I'm going to do System 608 on it, with all these other cool little Macintosh SE programs, including the original Mac Write and Mac Paint. I'm going to get rid of Super Paint and put Mac Paint back on here. And, well, before I go, how about we boot up off a floppy disk like old times? So this is how we do it. Put it in the floppy. It'll come up here, and I have to restart the machine and put it back in. This is booting off the recovery floppy. It's booting off the floppy. Alright, it booted off the floppy. So anyways, this has been an overview of the Macintosh SE, and we'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye. Oh, one more thing. Here's the shutdown screen. You can't turn it. It doesn't like switch it off. You gotta switch the thing on the power button. But anyway, guys, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.